to the G.life. I'm so glad you guys are here. So today I'm coming with a Costco haul. I have a huge haul, guys. We did some damage today, so let's go ahead and get started. So first things first is the non-food items. Ugh, this one's heavy. We got some cat food for Lily Pad. We always get it at Costco. I also got these leggings for myself. These are by the Feleni brand. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that. But these are just velvet soft lightweight leggings. They come in a pack of 2 and they're a size large. I've actually bought these before and I really like them. So I went ahead and bought them again because they came out with them again. Something I'm always needing to replace are these like layering tank tops. I always need these for some reason. So I got a package. These are size large and they come with a gray, a white, and a black tank top. I like these a lot. We also got some toothpaste. This was actually on sale, so it was a really good deal. We got baby wipes at Costco. I actually really like these. They also have the Huggies brand, but I actually don't like them as much as I like these. These are unscented and they're so soft. And then we got some diapers for our baby. There's a size 4 Huggies, the little movers diapers. These are awesome. I love them. We also got 5 dozen eggs. These are actually really cool. I've never noticed. They put a plastic on the top so that if you stack them, you don't break the eggs, which is actually really cool and really smart. We got some egg whites. This buy was actually not supposed to happen. We got some brownie mix, but it was actually such a good deal. I think I paid $6 for this, $6 or $7 for 6 packages of brownie mix, which is a really good deal. I got this big old container of corn. There's 12 cans of sweet corn in here. I also got some pinto beans. I got 8 cans of these. I like to make my own pinto beans, but they take a really long time, and if I don't have time for them, then this is a super easy like side dish. I picked up some old-fashioned oats. I've actually never made anything with these before, so I'm excited to give these a try. I found a recipe to make some pancakes for my son, and then a recipe to make overnight oats. But let me know what you guys do with your old-fashioned oats. I want to know some recipes down below. This also was not supposed to happen, but all the sweet stuff always gets me. We got some heart-shaped cookies. Look how cute they are. These were $10, guys. We probably shouldn't have bought these, but they were too cute to not buy. These are shortbread cookies. I'm assuming they're gonna be amazing with coffee. I got some organic blueberries. I'm actually gonna put these in the freezer because they're already getting soft. I got some Laughing Cow wedges. This is the creamy Swiss light. Ooh, I'm excited for those with some crackers or some veggies or on toast, probably really good too. And then I also got some organic whole milk plain yogurt for my son Michael. These next 2 items were not supposed to get on the cart either. We got some nacho cheese tortilla chips and some Mrs. Vicky's sea salt and vinegar chips. We picked up some organic whole milk for Michael Jr. There's 3 containers in here, and you can totally freeze these, but I don't because we will go through them really fast. And for my husband, I picked up this reduced fat milk. There's actually 2 gallons in here. I put 1 gallon in the fridge and I put 1 in the freezer. It freezes and thaws very well, and I feel like it actually lasts a lot longer than it's supposed to. Whew, I'm starting to get tired, guys. I'm building some muscles right now. Okay, so I also picked up some Activia? I don't know. It's strawberry, blueberry, and peach flavored. There is 24 cups in here. I also picked up some cooked chicken breast. We have a ton of raw frozen chicken, but it's obviously raw. I like to have this on hand for the days where I'm feeling a little lazy. So what I usually do is I cut them in half. I put 1 in the fridge and then put 1 in the freezer and just take it out whenever I need it. This is also not supposed to make it into the cart, but it did. These are Idaho spuds. Basically, they're hash browns in little like containers, so I'm excited to give these a try tomorrow. I also picked up some Mott's organic applesauce. Both of my men love this. I got some sliced cheddar cheese. Look at this big old container of cream cheese, guys. There is, how many pounds is in here? I think there's 3 pounds. It's a 3-pound brick. Holy moly. I'm actually gonna cut it in half and put half of it in the fridge and then half of it in the freezer and use it for food, like to cook it like in the crock pot or something. I actually have never frozen cream cheese before, but I did on YouTube. I've actually heard a lot of people say that it doesn't thaw the same way, so you have to like cook with it, like maybe put it in a crock pot with some chicken or something, and it cooks really well, but you can't spread it like on a bagel. So that's why I'm saying half for fridge and half for freezer. Alright, so we're almost done. I also got a brick of mild cheddar cheese and a ginormous 6 12-pound loaf, guys, of mozzarella cheese. Oh my god. We're actually, between me and my husband Michael, we're having a shredding party today. So basically what I do with these, because it's way cheaper to buy the brick than to buy it shredded, I buy this, I shred it myself, and then I freeze it and put some in the refrigerator, and it thaws perfectly well. It lasts a really long time. The only bad thing is you have to shred it yourself, and it takes a really long time, and it's like a pain in the booty, but it's cheaper, so I'm okay with it. So after we were done shopping, we ended up going to the food courtyard. I got a hot dog, Michael got some pizza, and then they gave us an extra slice of pizza. So we have an extra slice, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but we're gonna eat it. And I wanna know in the comments below, what do you guys eat when you guys go to Costco? They recently just added chili to their menu. It's so good. And then they have a sign of a cheeseburger coming soon, so I'm excited to give that a try whenever it comes out. So yeah, this is it for today's haul, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments below. What are your go-tos from Costco? What do you guys get when you guys go to the food court? And that's pretty much it. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!